Hi, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Sunday, the day after Saturday. Yeah, the day after yesterday's vlog. So today is today's vlog. So hi, what's up? How are you doing? I hope you're having a wonderful day today. You're gonna see this on Monday. So I hope you're having a wonderful Monday. And I hope you enjoy your Sunday. Hope you had a nice Sunday dinner and all of that. And everything is going well for you. Right now, I'm gonna go to the bank to get some money, pick up some money, then I go to Knoxford to pick up the shirts, the YouTube shirts. So let's do this. It's gonna be a great day. Fingers crossed. Story time. So let me tell you a story about when I had my first kiss. I was 11. Not my first kiss, the first kiss that I can remember with this girl. You know, and I gave her first kiss too. You know, it was kind of special. She was in grade 5, I was in grade 6. And she was a pretty little brown thing. All my life I've always been lucky with brown girls. It's not that I like brown girls more, I promise you. I like black girls more because I like my skin and I like myself. So I like black girls more, but I'm just always getting brown girls. I'm not saying I don't like brown girls. Like, I like girls, but I just always be getting brown girls. Maybe because brown girls like me more. That's what I think. That's my headcanon. That's what I make up in my head. I think brown girls like me more, so that's why I always get more brown girls. So when I was in grade 6, I had this pretty little girl that I was talking to for a while, and everybody was jealous because I'm a handsome nigga. So all of the other girls was jealous of her for getting with me because I was playing football at the time, and I was a starter. My name was calling up in primary school, and the principal, and everybody, like, I was a smart kid too, and I was playing football, so I was a part of the football team, so I was kind of popular just a little bit, and this girl, she was popular too. She was a pretty brown and she used to play netball, and we met. We just started talking. We write love letters back and forth because that's how it was back in the day. We used to write love letters to each other, and so that's how we met. And me and my friends, we used to go to St. James Prep. I don't know if you know where if you're in Mobay, you're supposed to know where St. James Prep is. It's where the big clock church is. We used to go over there, and there's a graveyard over there and everything. And this one evening, so we used to go over there to play football with St. James Prep. We used to play against each other or play against St. James Prep if they're available. Sometimes they have classes till way up in the evening. Our parents weren't as rich. The prep school students, I feel like they maybe were paying for extra classes and all of that. Our parents, so we came early to play football. Is the story. So this one day, the girl came with me and my friends. She was just following me around, you know what I mean? Like, yeah. And she followed us to St. James Prep, and we had a kiss. Yeah, she was standing on the grave, one of the graves, which is a bad thing now that I'm thinking about it. But she was standing on one of the graves, and then we had a kiss. And everybody on the school, next day, everybody on the school know about it and all of that. And everybody at school know about the kiss that me and the girl share. And people start telling me a whole lot of things about the girls, that she has a nigga in 10th grade. She have a man in a 10th grade. Because she was in 5th grade at the time. I was in 6th grade. I was 11. I think she was probably 10. It's young, some young people. But we had a kiss. And I started hearing a lot of things about the girl, that she does oral sex and all of these things. And she wrote me a love letter saying, all of this that I'm hearing is a lie. Because we didn't have phones back then, Love letters were the way to go. And yeah, she wrote me a letter. And I didn't want to hear nothing because I was believing in the other people. And I dissed her, and she cried, bro. Pretty little brown, cry. I water over me and all of that. Because I was believing in the other people and just cut her off. And long after, I found out from my friends back then. So like, we kept in touch, and they told me, yo bro, we was just lying to you because you are the prettier girl and we wanted to take the girl from you. So we told you a lie. That's what they told me. You know what I mean? I'm like, when I was in what? I feel like I was in 9th grade when they told me this. Because we kept in touch. So when I was in 9th grade, they told me that, yo, bro, we were only lying to you back then. You know, they confessed to me and tell me that they were only lying to me to get my girl because me have the prettiest girl and all of this, you know. It was just a bad situation. Just to show you, bro, like, you can do nothing to nobody, and from back then, I just don't really trust people, you know. Can't do nothing to nobody and they try to sabotage your life just like that, you know. I'm a pretty little brown. Even though, like, he probably never was going to work out from jump, but it is what it is. So that's just the little story. I don't know, maybe I won't post this. Maybe I will, who knows. Like, comment, subscribe, okay? Thank you. So yeah, I'm out here in New Kingston vlogging. I'm a vlogger, bro. Bank is right there, the VMBS. I was going to go to the ATM real quick. Really quickly and do the money thing, you know what I mean, on the vlogs. Ooh. So yeah, thank you for using Victoria Mutual Building Society. See, I'm running free ads for Victoria Mutual. Hey, Victoria, if you want to sponsor me, let me know, okay? Holler at me. Send me some money. So I'm going to go to Knoxford now, pick up my shirts, and then I'll show you them. And if you want one, all you have to do is let me know in the comments. And I'll let you know. I'll be giving away. Let me see, I have a few to give away. Few of them already booked out already, but you can get a few of them. So just holler at me and let me know in the comments, alright? So next one is nearby, next one is that way. Yeah, you gotta go out more, bro. Touch some grass. You gotta go out more, bro. Touch some grass. JPS. No, out here. This is some Portuguese. This is some Japanese. Killing them, bro. So at YouTube, so this is the shirts. I got my shirts. Let me know if you want a shirt. Maybe you'll get a shirt, you never know. So yeah, these are the shirts. I got 5 of them. You give away, my name's on it and all of that. These one are bigger. I like these. I like these, pal. So my friend Paul, I'll put her Instagram and everything in it. You can go check her out. She was the one who made the shirts. They're really nice. My name is on it and everything. Aleko Lyttle. Subscribe. I'll show you them better when I get home because I can't really do it in the car. But right now I'm gonna be window shopping on my favorite car. And one of my favorite cars, I was passing the Porsche dealership just now. Last night I look at yesterday's video I look at my dream house for the last part. In today's video I'm gonna go look at one of my dream cars. I feel like I'm a Benz nigga, because I be in the Benz. It's not a Honda, it's a Benz, baby. Right? So I'll be in the Benz. I feel like I should keep it Benz, as like that's the thing for me and like, you know, for my future generations and all of that. But I'm gonna go look at a Porsche today. I really like Porsches. I like the Jeeps, the Wranglers, you know, the Jeep Wrangler, big body. Yeah, I like those too. I like BMWs, the X7s, I really like those. I like Range Rovers, and I like Teslas. So I like all of those cars. And I like the Urus, the Lamborghini Urus. But this Porsche is one of my favorite ones, so I'm gonna go look at it. I'm gonna go window shop. I believe they're closed right now, so I'm gonna park nearby and just go look at it through the window. Okay? Yeah, let's go. Yeah, so hopefully you see me good. So I'm out here right now. Benz. Park it up right there. Yeah, and I'm gonna go look at the Porsche. Hold on. Should I need a mask? No, I feel like it's closed. I don't really need a mask. But hopefully, like maybe this year, I don't know, I could be hopping out of a Porsche or a Range Rover or something like that, crazy like that. you know. But I'm trying. I'm gonna get there. The Porsche dealership is right. I feel like it's closed today. Should be closed. If it's not closed. You know, tomorrow, what I should have done in there, I should have like maybe dress up tomorrow. Should I probably maybe dress up tomorrow and come like just in a suit and tie and be like, hey, I sell oil. I'm from Dubai. Probably I can't. Tell them I live in Dubai. I'm Jamaican, but I live in Dubai. And I sell and I like work on airplanes or something crazy like that. See them, man? I love the gas in. Can you see them? They're beautiful. I should have gone inside, you know, bro. I'm moving. I should have come back tomorrow. Nice little Porsche, bro. I can't really see them, dog, on the camera. But they look nice. Maybe I'll go react to them when I get home. But you can't really see them on the camera. But they look beautiful. That's a Macan. Porsche Macan. But I tried, bro. I tried. Let me see this. I tried, bro. I tried to get the footage. I'm not getting it. It's a cannonball. Cannonball, isn't it? Canon cameras. Isn't it for Canon cameras? So right now as I'm talking to you right now, bro, I'm hungry. So I'm gonna go get some lunch. I feel like maybe Island Grill. Island Grill, I eat Island Grill every day. Can I get something new to eat? What can I eat today? Can I eat a fish? You know what I'm thinking about? This is why I was looking at the Dream House. Because I already have a nice car. So I don't really need a car. So I was thinking to like maybe just focus on the house, you know, the Dream House. But Dream House is ridiculously expensive. You're looking at like probably $2 million US for a Dream House, you know. Maybe I can buy a piece of land still for $20 million Jamaican. You know, if I get that type of money. 20 mil Jamaican and just build the house on it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Alright? Yes, sir. Like, comment, subscribe. Alright? I try to go. Maybe tomorrow I'll come back and go inside and tell them that I'm interested in purchasing one of the cars. What are the options? What are the buying options? You know? Type of nigga. Yeah, my Benz keep on my loop. Maybe them believe in me more. But I just want to vlog it. I just want to get footage. I'm not trying to buy nothing. I just want the footage. So maybe I'll come back tomorrow, alright? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna get some lunch right now. Yeah, when I get the lunch, I'll pick up back the camera and talk to you. Yeah. Yo, Massacre album bad, bro. No jokes. I never used to listen. I never listened to it when it just dropped. I just started listening to it. It's fire, bro. Like every song on it could have been a hit song if it was released by itself, you know? Yeah. Shout out Massacre. Bad, bro. No jokes. Out here and yeah, we can tell about pain in every language and life for the ultimate. You see me? Yeah, if I have life, you can do anything, like literally. You're right where you are right now, and you're in the problems where you are. You're in the problems that you're in, but it's just in your mind, you're in it, you know? Like go outside, touch some grass or something. Come to the Porsche dealership, come look at some Porsches. Just to like, look, you never know. Yeah, you never know what life may bring. So that just come look. And be confident in yourself, because if you're not confident in yourself, you are twice defeated in the race of life. So be confident in yourself and believe that you can achieve anything that you want to, and you will. I promise you. Because I believe in me, and I believe that I can achieve anything that I want to. And I literally feel like it can happen. If I do the right things. So, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace. Hi. So I just got lunch. I got me some lunch. Some what do you call it? Just enough with the jerk chicken The jerk chicken with the two. The just enough. Yeah, just enough. The jerk chicken jerk burst with two festival and a medium guava pineapple. You see me? And I'm out. I'm going home. I'm gonna eat while I'm on the way. Eat and drive a little bit. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, okay? Yeah, so I'm back at home now. I'm gonna consume my lunch. And I'm gonna show you the shirts. So stay tuned. Yeah. See, you can reach me by sailboat. Cross the river and jump from rope to rope. Yeah. See, I don't really care how you get here. Just get here if you can. I lie. Yo, why am I so happy right now? Is it because I just look at my Porsche? Is it because I just saw my Porsche? Maybe. It could be. Which one do I like better? That one? Or that one? Ooh. Or that one? Ooh. Maybe that one? Nah, this one. Yeah, right there. Ooh. Yes, I'm gonna have my lunch right now. You want me to finish telling you the story? I could just finish telling you the story of me and my first kiss. It went a little something like this. I told her to close her eyes and pucker her lips. Look at that story on here when I'm doing my mukbang. So YouTube, these are the shirts. So I bought these two, boom, online, and I got these from my friend Paul. Boom, boom, Jamaican. And to be honest, Paul's shirt them look better than the online one then. These ones, not the first set. I bought 5 from her before, and she write the number, the name and the YouTube thing was smaller. And I did it like that. That was weak, you know. And she bought the, and I bought these ones online. These two, boom, boom. And they may look better, so I'm happy. I'm happy with my purchase. You know what I mean? And if you want to go and purchase shirts like those, I'll leave her link and everything for you to go over to her Instagram and go place your order, okay? Yeah. So that's it for the video. It was a little a bit boring. I didn't do much today. I don't know, maybe I'll go on the road. If I go to the supermarket, maybe I'll vlog that. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate all of your support, okay? Peace and love to one and all. To one and all, peace and love.